Good morning, good afternoon, traders. Welcome everyone on a Tuesday trading day on the 8th of July. We are going to start today um, with the usual recap. Please let me know if the sound is okay. Hi, 44 room traders, VIP room traders, TEFS YouTube traders. Welcome, welcome. So please let me know if the sound is okay and we can start. Hi team, hi Scott, hi Clifton, DVG, Brian, good morning. Steve C, good morning to you as well. Nice to see you here and let's just start. Hi Clifton. Okay, as you can see, the background at this time, it is not the usual SPY chart with the pre-market, but we have a huge announcement for today. And this is, as you can see, it's going to be an elite trading competition by the TEFS exclusively for our traders and the YouTube traders. I'm just going to post the link later on with my help from the marketing team. So traders, this is a huge thing, great opportunity. You can win a student account with 66,000 buying power. This is going to be the first place winner is going to get this, and the student light for the second, and for the third one it's going to be the intro package. So huge competition is going to start next Monday. It's going to last for a whole week, and then on the 22nd we are going to get out with the winner. So traders, don't miss it out. Huge competition is coming, and this is a great surprise for you. I was talking about that before, and this is the surprise indeed. Hi DVG. So for everyone who is interested, we are just going to post the link later. So let's see in the meantime the charts and the market, how it is doing at the moment. Well, yesterday we have seen a small pullback thanks to this tariffs news from Trump again, indeed. And as you can see, the S&P 500 moved back quite heavily, indeed, on a red day. If we just check here, this is going to be, you see, here we are. So this is going to be might another pullback day or so. Today, the SPY is starting in slightly green. So we don't know yet. Might the market just shook off again this Trump tariffs misery, or I must tell you, I was just reading some articles as well that most of the market participants, they think that might this was just a bluff from Trump, and even the 1st of August it's going to be postponed, or either some deals, trade deals are going to be reached until this date. We don't know. However, seems like the market just went for a one-day pullback, and today it's just starting in a small green again. Well, not that small on the triple Q because it's up 0.30%. SPY is not that strong, 0.15, because we have some trouble with the big banks, but I'm just going to talk about this indeed. Thank you very much for the help. Here it is, traders. Here is the link for the TEFS competition, the TEFS trading competition. As you can see, I'm just going to post the link myself as well. We just pinned here so you can see that. So if you just copy paste it into your browser, you will see this competition page indeed, and you can just click on the join now, and don't forget you have only 5 days to join. Okay, traders, you have only 5 days to join indeed, because next Monday we are going to start the competition indeed. So this is the link. I'm just going to post it as well. You just copy paste it or just click on it and you will get it. and you can just join now. I'm going to tell you that I did join as well, and I'm going to trade the competition too next week. So it's going to be interesting indeed. Of course, I'm going to trade only my market hours, so you are going to be ahead indeed. Of course, I'm not going to take the price if I'm going to win, but I'm sure we have much better and more enthusiastic traders here around. So guys, don't miss out. Please just click on the link. I've just posted it again, and you can join and start trading next Monday. So this is for everyone. I'm just going to type it in the or send it in the main room, in the VIP room as well. So traders, back to the market again. The SPY and the triple Q are starting in a small green. Again, as I mentioned, not a huge day on the economic front. Reason for that, well, we had two really bumpy week on the economic front with labor market, with CPI data, and so on. So this is a little, let's call it like a break, a little break on the economic front. Also, today we will have some information or data released, not very important. 6 o'clock we got already the NFIB small business index, which was quite of almost aligned with expectation, and 3 p.m. we will get the consumer credit today, but that's it. API weekly statistical bulletin is going to be 4:30, but no huge news indeed. Tomorrow is going to be an very important day, because we will get the FOMC meeting minutes at 2 p.m. traders, and you know exactly that this can definitely move the markets. But today, again, nothing. Even on the earnings side, guys, it's very much muted. Everyone is, preparing for the next week for the big earnings start. It's going to start on Tuesday. So actually, I was timing this competition. This is called the TEFS Trading Elite Competition. Just right. I was, of course, it was not by accident, but it was on purpose that I wanted to make this competition on the earnings week when everything is starting to be interesting again. Also, I must tell you, we cannot definitely complain about the market to be boring this year, at least so far, because it has been incredibly choppy and crazy, and seems like even the earnings season is going to spice it up. So, guys, I just give you everything what is needed for a great trading week next week. And cherry on the top is going to be that the competition first place is going to win a student account indeed. So hurry up and get into the link. And this link, by the way, this is a very specific link. We are not going to advertise anywhere else. This is just only for you, for our traders and the YouTube subscribers. So if you are in the stream, you can see the link and you can join, but no one else outside. So this is exclusively just for you guys. So as I've told you, I'm going to be here for you as well, and trading with you the whole next week. All right, traders, so let's get back quickly to this market. As I mentioned you, everything is muted. Let's see whether the market is going to shake off this bad news on the tariffs, which is still causing some trouble. No big news. US pre-market is green slightly. Triple Q is better. If I'm just checking all around, the Asian market, it was quite strong, as I see one, especially the Hang Seng 1.09% higher. Europe mixed, but rather into the green side. And the crypto is moving higher again. The Bitcoin up 0.58%, but still hovering around this $108 area. All right, guys. So on the news side, that's it. And we need some runners, some movers. And we have actually the solar stocks, as I see. Scott already posted this onto the short side. This is my opinion as well, that on the solar stocks like RAN, FSL, or in phase ENPH, they can go to the shortlist. And the reason for that, it is they are under pressure because President Donald Trump issued an executive order calling for the rollback of green energy subsidies, including the build upon and strengthen some of the changes in the recent tax bill. So unfortunately, this is not a good news for the solar stocks. DDOG is going to my shortlist as well. Reason for that, indeed, the fact that this got a downgrade to sell from neutral from Guggenheim. This is not a good news for the stock, definitely. And even the banks are in trouble because the HSBC got a downgrade. Indeed, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, each dipped less than 1% after the downgrades to reduce from hold, and Bank of America dropped 2% after being downgraded to a hold from a buy. So these can go even on our shortlist. GS and JP Morgan, I'm just going to call it. Shake Shack is here as well. It's again to the short side down following a downgrade at Loop Capital to hold from buy. So this is going to be another short candidate on our list. And VRT is here, which is finally going to get to the long list. Vertiv Holdings, this is an AI infrastructure stock, 2.8%, because at this time, this stock just got a nice upgrade. Also, as I'm not very much trading this stock too much, I need to get a little picture here. Yes, this is Vertex Pharma. So VRT is the symbol, and as you can see, the pre-market volume is 71,000. Not a huge volume stock in the pre-market. Also, the average daily volume can be better. So let's see whether this can just push a little bit more higher. And one of my favorite AI stock is here on my list too. It's SoundHound because it is up already in the pre-market, guys, 7%. So I really like SoundHound for today to the long side, alongside with the semicons. If I'm just checking AMD, MU, very strong. I mean, 1.70 on the AMD. Yesterday, it got a really ugly move to the downside. So today, I'm just going to check it higher. And the coin is moving higher too. Reason for that, Coinbase, the crypto exchange, gained 1% after KULR Technology Group secured a $70 million credit facility with the Coinbase. So these are my movers here. I have one more which is a little bit unknown, Stop Chambers CC, which is higher very nicely, 10% because of a catalyst from Tuesday. We can watch it on the secondary list. And on the secondary list, traders, I'm going to watch Tesla for sure, Roblox. And I was watching even the oil stocks are moving lower together with the bank stocks, so we can watch some oil stocks too. And even UPST and Hood is going to be on my secondary list because both of them are quite strong in the pre-market. So we have a great list to start the day with. And today, Scott is going to join us too, which is great indeed. He's going to join us soon in the TEFS Trading Room. So today, guys, everything is together. We're going to have a fantastic trading day. Good morning, Anne. Hi, Nitsa. Nice to see you. Hi, Lee. Good morning to you. So this is my list, and I'm going to wish a fantastic green day for the VIP room traders, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, YouTube traders, I am here with you, for you. I'm just going to make sure to get Scott here. Just a second. I need to make sure everything is okay here. In the meantime, I'm just repeating myself, guys. This is a huge day, a great surprise for you. As you can see, we will get a fantastic competition only for you, exclusively for the YouTube traders, and you can see the link pinned on the top. So this is TEFS Trading Elite Competition. And guys, the first place is going to go for a student account with a 66K buying power. It's fantastic, actually. And I wish you the good luck, and even not just a good luck, but because, as I've told you, it's going to be an exclusive competition, including me. So I'm going to compete among the traders too. So I already joined the competition. Please do it as well. Just click on the link and you can see the join button. That's good also for non-profitable traders. Sure, everyone can just do it actually. Of course, of course. It's I do encourage everyone, indeed, definitely. Okay, just bear with me a little bit, guys, because I need to make sure that this OBS is working in the meantime. Just a second. Okay. No, this is not the right one. Okay, so yes, definitely, you can just go there. Of course, there are some rules. You are going to have a 240K demo account, and on that, you need to have this this trading. I mean, on that account, 230K is going to be 230K is going to be the drawdown. So 10,000 actually. 10,000 is going to be the drawdown. And indeed, you must trading at least 3 trading days out of the 7. So these are going to be these are going to be the instructions or the rules indeed. Okay, traders, I have a little problem here with this copying the link, but I'm just going to go for it. The second. Okay, let me just check it. Okay, in the meantime, you can just check this whole you can just check this whole thing here, indeed. Hi, Tara. Nice to see you. Thank you for your email. I had no time to answer yet, but I'm going to be on it. Okay, traders, please really bear with me because I have a little technical problem here. Just a second. In the meantime, I'm just listening to Scott as well. Okay. Okay. Okay, just a second, guys. I'm going to be here for you. Just a sec. I have a little technical problem to get Scott into the room. Hopefully now it's going to be okay. Okay, let's see. Sign for the competition. Nitsan, come on. You're going to be great. I'm sure. I'm sure you are going to be fantastic, actually. Okay, in the meantime, I still have some problem, unfortunately, with this link. It's not working, and I have no idea why indeed. Okay. All right, traders, in the meantime, if you have any questions regarding the competition, please just let me know. You can write me an email as well. I'm just on it to get Scott into the room, but I don't know why this is just not working now. Just a second. Okay. Okay. Just a second, guys. Hopefully this link is going to work and we will get Scott on time. Indeed, I just get his image already. Okay. Here we are. Just a second, Scott. I am on it. I am on it. Okay. No, unfortunately, I don't know why, but it's not working. Sorry for that glitch, guys. No idea why it's not making this thing here. I try to do everything there, but it's not working and no idea why it's not working. These technical things are so mean sometimes. Indeed, sorry for that. Okay, just trying again. Okay, maybe now we will get him here. I'm not giving up. I'm not the girl who is giving up, and we
Again,
have
popped
Scott
up big
here.
time here over the last
Okay,
couple
Scott,
of
I
days.
think
And
now everyone can hear
now
you,
let's see what we're
hopefully.
doing today. We're trying to make a little bit of a comeback. I would love to pick it up around $8 this morning.
Okay,
That would be great. We'll see if that happens. If not, we'll see if the volume sticks in there. Volume good to kind of start
all
things off
right.
and kind of go from there.
Traders,
Coin
please
on the
let me
move to the
know if
upside.
you
I'll
can
watch
hear Scott.
AMPX this morning, as Justin was talking about earlier, and then we should be all set
And
to
if I
go this
should
morning.
adjust the
So,
volume,
okay,
because last time I had to
just got to have
adjust the
the
volume
open
a little
going.
bit. So finally looks like everything is
Okay, welcome to
working.
everybody in the YouTube Trading Room this morning. And
Thank
again,
you,
if
Scott.
you're out there, they've got a great special going on or upcoming the competition. So that's going to be awesome. I think that starts, if I'm not mistaken, Aggie, next week.
Yes.
Yep, first place you get a free full student funded account, which is great. Back to the days where we had TEFS and the World Series of Trading, and now a great opportunity for those of you that are not in the US of A to take advantage of that. And again, we support all of the TEFS traders out there on a daily basis here through our YouTube channel and TEFS YouTube channel. So Aggie, good morning to you. Great to have you here this morning. Thank you for getting us started here in the
Thank you,
main
Scott.
room. Yep, where we trade each and every day. DVG will join me here. I'll be broadcasting dual this morning in the TFS room and here in the main room. Give you a flavor of what we do on a day-to-day basis, and we ask that you come and join us here if you'd like to. Clifton's got the link here to join the competition. If you're not in the US of A, that is available to you this morning. So about 5 minutes to go. We'll get DVG in here for some remarks. Aggie, anything that you're watching this morning that you love? I don't see a ton that I love this morning.
Well, listen, I think Soundhound is going to be one of my favorite today.
Okay.
It's really strong. You know, the small AI stocks nowadays is just starting to be developing really nicely. So I'm going to watch SoundHound and actually the big banks, which I think they are anyway a little bit extended. So this is just the time for a small pullback. What else? Tesla, which shook off the news of the Elon's new political party, indeed, which so far it's not very successful among the others at least. And what else on my list? I did send it already. Definitely the solar stocks, FSLR, ENPH are under pressure, DDOG as well. And I'm watching whether Roblox is just having a fantastic time actually. It's just touched 107 yesterday, but definitely very extended too. So I'm going to watch these as well. And on the stronger side, I see the semicons are starting to be stronger too, like AMD, NVIDIA, MU. These are going to be on my list too for today. So I think we have plenty to start with. Hopefully it's going to be a great trading day again with you. We're starting in 3 minutes, I think. And for the ones who just joined to the stream, first of all, welcome. And you just joined on time because this is the day when we do announce the TEFS Elite Trading Competition. You can just see the link on the stream. This is a competition exclusively for the YouTube traders and the TEFS funded account traders and the challenge traders. So everyone, even if you haven't got an account yet or you just got in for the first time, you are really, your timing is fantastic, traders, because today the application is starting for the competition. The first place is going to get a 66K buying power student account, second place student light, and the third one is an intro account indeed. So hurry up, seats are limited, so I encourage you to apply for the competition as soon as possible. We do start next Monday, and it's going to be a full week of a competition indeed. And I'm going to be there too. Every day we are going to be here, Scott and me on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and me on the rest of the days trading with you together and helping you to succeed. Hi, Humble Ninja. Nice to see you. Good morning. Indeed. And as you can see,
Yep.
Scott is with us today as well. HIMS. Oh, yeah. This is one of the big mover. Scott, your trade yesterday on Circle, you called it. It was fantastic. This was really, really nice call. We should watch it today as well, I think. It's such a nice and strong one indeed. Okay, HIMS looking strong, and I like the daily too. I agree, Humble Ninja. We should just put it on our watch list with the HIMS. Fantastic. Okay, traders, 1 minute, a little bit more than 1 minute to start. And this is going to be again an incredibly good trading day as always. Okay, and again, join to the competition. You have 5 days only. Alamo, nice to see you. Good morning. Okay, I hope Scott can hear me. Okay.
Yep. Thank you, DVG. Thank you, Aggie. Yeah, I can hear everybody just fine this morning.
Okay.
A couple of comments here as we get into about 40 seconds left before the opening bell here this morning. Just missed this NDRA. If you're in the States here, you can trade pre-market, and was going to take that over $10 here pre-market. I'm going to watch that stock here very closely. Also, good morning to you, Seth. Good morning, Frank. And this morning, I'm also looking at what Justin had put on here, this AM, A Apple, M Mary, P Paul, X X-ray this morning over the VWAP as a breakout. We'll watch that. I'm not going to rush into anything this morning. I do like that Iron Horse IROH. We'll take a look at that. If it gets below 10, we'll certainly take it up through 10 this morning. I'll put this one on the main screen here, shrink it down just so that we can keep our eyeball on it this morning and see if we can take advantage of this. Again, if it gets under 10, that would be great because that way we can take it up through that round number here, okay? Opening bell is on. We are live this morning. Let's have a great day, traders.
Okay.
DDOG down this
Thank you,
morning.
Scott.
Yep. AMPX pulling back.
All right.
Okay.
And we are started. Good
Let's
luck,
take it
everyone.
easy this morning. Coin off to the races already, DVG, right out of the gate.
Yeah, coin is there again.
I think the FSLR short could come into play here.
FSLR. Just putting on the here. Okay, I need a 1 minute chart. Yeah, Scott, that looks like a very nice gap and go on the FSLR. I like it actually. DVG watching AVGO as well. Semi-consults on my list too. Very strong today. Tesla pushing higher again. Watching PLTR2. Okay. Wow, AVGO. Just giving back everything. Coin very strong, guys. Look at that. Crazy strong, actually. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to watch this sound hunt here too.
FSLR here. Watch the FSLR trade. I was going to take it under 170 here. We'll keep an eye on it here as we go.
Yeah, it looks very nice for a gap and go on the FSLR, guys.
Yep.
If you are watching it.
167 on FSLR. We'll go short 167. Kind of feel like I missed this opportunity on the FSLR trade up higher, but we'll see.
Anyway, it's a big mover, so if it's going
It
to move,
is.
wow, JP Morgan, it's just moving down like crazy. Okay, checking sound hunt here too.
Watch this AMPX. Watching AMPX here. I'm long AMPX 554, going to add over 570. Stop loss $5. This is AMPX. Those of you
Nice
that are
mover.
in this trade here. See if we can get this to go.
Very nice mover indeed. I missed this FSLR, unfortunately. Yes, Tara, BBAI is moving and even the sound hound actually, but I cannot see any entry yet. Okay.
Watching FSLR towards the bottom here now. Need AMPX to go.
FSLR looks very good, guys. If you have entered, then I think around 167 would be great to take a partial. So yesterday I was a little bit greedy with
Wow. Look at coin.
taking. Yeah, coin, it's crazy. Okay, soundhound, I want to see a small pullback or a continuation pattern. So them I'm watching here.
Are you long FSLR, DVG? Okay, good, good. I'm going to join you here under 168 short FSLR. Watching it. I'm short the stock right now, FSLR. Man, we missed that NDRA. Aggie could have had it pre-market, but I know you don't trade it pre-market.
No,
man,
unfortunately, I do not. Okay, traders, FSLR looks very good. Hopefully it's going to break the lows and like that it can make a nice move. SPY triple Q are pulling back actually.
We'll go full share size FSLR under 167.
It looks fantastic actually. Okay, Tesla is making a bull flag on this 300. Ah, DVG is watching Tesla too.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, if FSLR is going to get back here under the lows, I think I'm going to join the party there as well. I'm watching
I'm still holding
here
on to FSLR
NVDA.
here. I'll get 171 will be my stop. I'm going to give it a little bit of room here. Stock is really down for the day. I say it continues that move down. Well, I'll tell you what, coin a one trick pony here on the way up, and then we've just absolutely come down and 7 points now. AMPX, I am long the AMPX trade. I'm going to switch it out with this CC here so everybody can see what I'm doing here. Uh, there we go.
Okay, I'm going to get this Soundhound Traders over this 1288. Stop loss under 1245. Looks great actually. 89 is going to be my entry here on the Soundhound. If you have anything on the radar, please just let me know. I'm wondering what Tesla wants to do on this because actually Tesla is just sitting on the 200 EMA, by the way.
Yeah. You know, it's probably not the greatest trade of my life here, but I just feel confident this stock is going to go lower here on FSLR.
Yeah.
I'm going to stick with it here. The one trade that I am looking at here, but the volume is getting out of it. This IROH over 10. $10 is a big line in the sand for a lot of these stocks, and certainly could be a player from here. But I am long AMPX this morning at 554, add at 570, and I'm short FSLR. 171 will be my stop here on FSLR. Again, smaller
Nice.
share size FSLR, I can add to it here though coming up.
Okay. I'm ready to take a long on the Soundhound in the meantime, guys. Over this 1288, small AI stock, very strong. BBAI is just pushing higher too. Can watch that as well. And Tesla is looking for a short for me, actually a half share size only, but I just cannot let it run without me. 296.70, sorry, to want it to be extra quick. 296.70. So I'm going to take a half share size of a Tesla here. So I'm going to enter on actually under 60 if it's breaking the 60 level again. So, okay, DVG mentioned Oracle. It's not on my list. Let me just check it. Wow, strong. Okay, Soundhound is in. How about FSLR? It's moving sideways. Watching Sophie Tara. I'm going to watch it with you. SOFI.
I had high hopes for that
Ah,
IROH, but
DVG is shorting
no
Tesla
volume.
too. Good. Did not know. Why I did not get into the Tesla? That's annoying. Okay, I'm just going to take it here with a little bit lower share size. I don't know why.
Yeah, Steve just saw that IROH is halted. So we'll see. I was wondering why it wasn't moving, right? And then I just checked the level 2 here. It says halted. So
Ah, it's halted. Okay.
yeah, yep.
Traders, I'm not in my Tesla trade. I don't know what happened here with me. It's a glitch maybe, but SoundHound is in. And if you are in Tesla, 295 should be the first partial, okay, on the Tesla. Okay, now I could manage to get in just with a half share size. Okay, interesting start, Scott, right? Market
Yeah,
started to
interesting
pull
start
back.
today to the
Yeah.
market. Again, Nasdaq's up 27, Dow's down 66, split market, S&P flat right now. Best to sit on your hands unless you see something really good this morning.
Mm.
I'm still a player in AMPX here and still short FSLR. Neither one of them really doing much this morning. So we'll keep an eye on IROH, which is just now opening up around the
Yes.
$9 range. I could get into it about 10, but I don't want to really push it this morning with the volume kind of coming
Mm.
out of it so far. Big
Yeah.
spread on FSLR.
Yeah, it's always spread in this stock.
Do we nibble on IROH? I don't think so. I don't know.
Oh no.
$10. I'll come in at 10. $9
Mm-hmm.
stop, add at 11. Small share size at 10. I don't know if I've posted this one yet. I haven't. I'll post it right now. IROH at 10. Over $10. Small share size here.
Okay.
IROH.
Okay. I'm watching MU as well, traders. It's one of the strongest among the semicons. So I'm going to keep an eye on that too. Come on, SoundHound. Not moving too much.
Okay, AMPX looking.
mRNA very strong today too. Just checking.
Okay, I'm long IROH. Here's the IROH trade. If you're in this, I'm going to add over $11, go full share size.
Mm. MU starting to be really strong here, guys. And the weakest Piat here is weak today. Yeah, SPY's getting back to the highs. Look at that. Wow. What is pushing the SPY? Great question. Traders, I'm still both trades, I'm still holding them. Meantime, unfortunately, this MU went without me. Piat here is weak. Roblox is starting to be weaker a little bit too, which I'm watching. SOFI checking for a reversal. It has not touched the VWAP for me, Nitsan. It's not a clear reversal for me yet, but I'm going to keep an eye on it. Indeed, SoundHound doesn't seem like it wants to go for the $13 level. That's disappointing indeed. My Tesla is still okay. We just need to break the lows.
Yeah, and still okay with the FSLR short here. We're just doing not much of anything. We pulled back in the volume, but waiting for that break of 168, then 167 here. Hopefully we get it. Just be patient with the trade. Get your stop loss in place just in case it takes off.
Yeah.
And IROH, we're up 50 cents on it. We'll see what happens here, IROH. Halted again, hopefully to the upside here as we go.
Okay, come on, Tesla. Back to the green with the Tesla, but this is still not enough. Actually, I want to see it back on this 290 area. That would be great. Doesn't want to. And SPY is starting to be really strong. Triple Q not that much again, but the SPY is the strongest at the moment. I'm just checking the weak and strong stocks. In the meantime, Circle is not that strong anymore, like
And
yesterday.
not a ton of candidates that I'm seeing this morning that I want to get involved with.
Me neither, unfortunately. DDOG just moving higher now. Okay, UPST is starting to be stronger too. MU on the highs. Tesla. Tesla is not going to the right direction.
Yeah, very true. I'm going to go ahead and put coin up here. I'm going to take the coin trade 362 long. May not have time to report it here. 362 long coin.
Coin. Okay.
And this is going to be a 360 stop loss. So 2 points to the downside on the stop loss. This will take out the VWAP here. We'll add over 363, go full share size on coin.
Looks like a nice reversal there. AMD and NVIDIA are starting to be stronger too, traders. And finally, your sound hunt is moving. Tesla too, just not to the right direction, unfortunately. But on the sound hunt, traders, I want to see a 13, 15, 20 to take the first partial indeed.
Okay, traders, I am out of the FSLR trade with a loss. FSLR losing trade. First trade of the day, a loss for myself.
SLR, let me just check it. Wow, what a comeback. That was a tricky one. Looked like really a perfect gap and go indeed. Interesting. Okay, guys. Somehow we need to break the high of the day and the round number. In the meantime, SPY just broke the high of the day, but the triple Q is still not doing too much. So I see AMD NVIDIA is getting a bit stronger. I'm watching them for a possible long, and I don't want to see Tesla to break the VWAP higher. Okay.
Coin no trade. Now I got slapped in the face there on coin.
Ooh, wow.
Look at that.
I
Yeah,
don't
big
like this
time.
crazy move, Scott. Nowadays, it's just
Yep.
amazing what these stocks are doing sometimes. MCHP.
Yeah, Dow just poked itself green. Dow's up 7 points. NASDAQ up 29.
Yeah, the bulls are fighting again, as I see. Yeah, and it's hopefully this volume in the sound hound is going to be enough to push the stock over the $13 level. See, still holding it, and unfortunately, if the Tesla is going to break this 290, 298.50, I need to get out because this is definitely not going to the right direction at the
Hey,
moment.
traders. IROH trade right here. Watch the 11. We're going to go full share size right here. Watch the break of 11. And here we go. Come on.
Okay.
Move. Move. Not yet. Not yet. Waiting. Waiting to add. Got to break through 11. If we get a little bit higher, that's fine. No add. Okay, traders, I'm going to come out of IROH. Did not do what I wanted it to do. Going to come out here. Let's give it one more chance here at 11. I'm going to come out here, hopefully just make about 50 cents on the trade if it fails. Come on, watch 11. 3 cents to go. 2 cents to go. Come on.
Nice.
Adding at 11. There's the break. I'm long full share size now on IROH. Target is 12. See if it goes. Getting that pullback right now, IROH.
Ooh, Meta dropping. Just watching it for a short. Not too many great candidates on my side
Wow,
this
look at
morning.
coin.
Soundhound is flirting with the $13 level, but still no break.
Okay, traders, let's try this time now. NDRA. Remember, we talked about NDRA in the pre-market at 10. We're going to take it through 10 with a $9 stop loss here. So if it's going to go, it's going to go. And the IROH trade, I'm just holding on here. I know it's just under 10 bucks. That was our entry here on IROH. Just coming through that. Watch the NDRA trade. And FSLR
NDRA.
coming back down.
Looks great.
Wow,
Indeed.
coin.
Okay, guys, Tesla is still there, hanging on a thread though, and Soundhound, come on, break this round number, please. Amazon Meta dropping like a stone, guys. PLTR on the lows, looks like it's going to break through as well. Hood is dropping, coin is dropping, so Tesla, come on, join the party. I'm going to check here TQQQ as well, just in case. Too much. PLTR did break too. Ugly market so far. Triple Q is not going with the SPY. Big stocks are a little bit like confusing. At least the Soundhound is going, guys. Soundhound, I'm going to be ready to take a partial around 13, 10, 15. Would like to see nice breakout.
What do you think about this NDRA over 10? Really like the trade. Yep, it's being supported by the VWAP right here at 9. I mean, you could take a chance on it here with a stop loss of 9. Yep.
Mm. Hi guys, nice to see you. Good morning. Market is not doing too much, but the bulls are trying hard. I am in Soundhound long over 1288. We're waiting for at least this 1305. At least this is my minimum to take a partial there. And I'm suffering with Tesla short. You still can join the Tesla short. And for the ones who just joined, guys, this is a very special day as we just prepared for you a fantastic surprise, and this is a TEFS Elite Traders competition only exclusively for the YouTube traders. Here is the link. If you just go up, it's just pinned on the top, and you can apply this week, and this is going to start. The competition is going to start on
Wow.
next Monday, and the first place going to get a student account with personal coaching, just telling you, VIP room subscription, and 66,000 buying power, which is, I would say, it's quite important as well. Here is the link, traders, so go for it. Don't miss it. Seats are limited, so hurry up and join. I know, yesterday it was not the best indeed. Yes, we dice and we got Scott for today. Exactly. We just need now, we just for the perfect day, we just need the market to move, right, Scott?
Yep, very true. We just need this NDRA over $10 would help. And the ROH was halted still.
I see. Okay, guys, in the meantime, finally my Soundhound is reached my partialing point. I'm going to get out 75% of my share size, and stop loss is going to be just 1 cent under my entry. Thank you, Soundhound. This was a nice move on 14. And Tesla, I'm still holding my Tesla trade. So first partial on Soundhound done. Unfortunately, Tesla is going to be ready to say goodbye to the stock as this is just pushing over 298. But I'm still holding because the market just started to push down a little bit.
Yeah, and watch this NDRA again at 10. I'm going to be a player here at $10 break.
It looks nice for a bounce there.
Yep.
And I'm still keep
Supported
an
by the
eye on,
VWAP.
yeah, especially if it's breaking the 1050 VWAP, it can be even an adding point indeed. I'm still keep an eye on NVIDIA and AMD. AMD over 137 and NVIDIA over 159.20. These two look like getting a bit stronger here. So let's see. I'm still watching these two. First trade is green, and unfortunately this nasty Tesla. Alamu, yes, I'm watching it 159.20. Thank you, Vidas. Apple, Tesla, Uber. Uber, it's always on your watch list, which is great, actually. Nitsan, sorry, I missed your call on SOF5 VWAP reversal over 2060. It was looking really good. Great call on that. And now, surprisingly, everything seems like as a reversal. I mean, I'm watching Meta, Amazon, not really, but PLTR getting back. So both AMD and NVIDIA look like a nice continuation if they break this consolidation pattern first only. And unfortunately, I need to say goodbye to the Tesla soon. Market is very
No trade
undecided.
NDRA. Yeah, very undecided market again.
Not nice. Okay, guys. A crazy move again on this market. Can't get it. Guys, I'm just going to try this TQQQ here. I've heard DVG is quite bearish on the triple Q, but I'm going to take it only under 40, 80, 82, sorry, 82.98. If we are going to get lower at all with this market. Beautiful. Guys, if you have not taken any partial yet on the Soundhound, here we are. Still looking fantastic.
Wow,
Okay.
sound looks great. SOUN.
Yeah, I hope we will see a 13, 40, 50 for the second partial would be very good.
Still good volume on NDRA. Market's really not helping. Dow's down 31, NASDAQ up 26, split market. Still in the AMPX trade here. Still in the IROH trade that's halted. Tough to put it together today.
Yeah, it is. I'm very grateful for this Soundhound. And I really hope Tesla is going to move back. I was just holding, guys, because I've seen on the market this huge reversal. And I did not want to get out before I see how the Tesla it's going to impact it. Lee, I must tell you, I just cannot go with this PLTR today. I have no idea what it is doing today. Like it broke the lows, this 137, nice moving back again. I don't know. It's just it's a mess for me. But let's see. Watching Uber, okay. And so
Watching
happy to hear that.
AMPX here. My entry on AMPX was 554 and I want to add at 560. You could see the two topping tails right here. This candle and this candle tops out at 560. We get a break there. It's time to add and go extra full share size on this trade.
Yes. Okay, guys, I'm in TQQQ. I want to get a 20 cents. I'm not greedy with the ugly market moves. So it's around 82.80. I'm going to take a partial. Finally, Tesla, it's moving back, but we need a much bigger drop. Okay, guys, here comes TQQQ. Watch out. I'm going to take off 75% of the share size again. Oh, I was really not my right share size on the TQQQ. I'm just adding a bit more here. I miscalculated. Okay. I so much hate these big green candle, big red candle.
Yeah, I mean,
Shit
NDRA
on
for a
that.
stock that's up $6 has got a penny spread. So it's wound pretty tight here. We'll see what happens.
Okay, no partial yet on the TQQQ. I was not quick enough to take around this 80 something. Lee, I think you will be right on the PLTR. Look at that. If you're going to take it, then good luck. Guys, or somehow it's coming for the second partial, 1340, around 1340. I'm going to take a little bit more partial here, and the market is, it needs to decide now what to do. I don't want to see this choppy market again, what we have seen yesterday. It was so annoying, right, Scott? Like,
Yeah,
it's just going sideways.
super. And today's market is the same split market. You've got no clear direction. We're kind of bouncing and staying flat here. So again, not a great trading environment. So just keep the powder dry in case you see something that's really worth it right now. IROH still open now. I mean, now open.
Mhm. AMD NVIDIA is still good, glued to the VWAP. No big change. I'm still holding my Tesla and TQQQ, and the semicons are really moving weird. Look at the AMD, look at the Tesla and VDA here too. Seems like they really want to get higher, but no trade on NVDA before 159.20, and AMD only over 137 if you like these two stocks, guys. And I really hope if the SPY breaks down, Triple Q going to follow it with my TQQQ trade to get this 20 cents done soon. Tesla, finally, good morning. But this is still not enough. We need a new low here. INTC needs some checking. INTC.
Yeah, there's that coin break to the downside too.
Really high break. It's a bit done with the ATR on the INTC, in my opinion. It's just bumped into the 200 EMA. I would not go for an intraday breakout. Rather, you know what? I would wait for a pullback, like just on the SOFI, on the VWAP or something like that. But let's see. Okay. Oh, come on, TQQQ. Come on, market. Unbelievable, market just
Dow's
doesn't
down
want to give up.
almost 90 points now.
Yeah.
ROH back up to almost where we came in here at 10.
Yeah, I hope so. We will see a decision, as DVG just talking about in the VIP room. Amazon still pushing down. Wow. Okay, here comes NVIDIA traders. If you took it over this 159.20, be quick and efficient because this market is on a decision point. I feel like it really needs to decide now which direction to continue. And I think AMD still looks interesting, 137.05, something like that. So I'm still holding only TQQQ, Tesla, and SoundHound. SoundHound going to be out under $13 traders. If it's breaking 13, I'm going to be out with the rest of the shares. Tesla is almost back to the entry. TQQQ, it's in a 10 cents, and I am really ready now to take this partial. Okay,
NASDAQ pushing
finally.
down now, NASDAQ red.
Yeah. Traders, I'm taking my partial on the TQQQ and I'm not waiting because as you can see, every red candle is just bought back. Very annoying, but this is what it is. 15 cents, it's better than nothing. And I'm going to move my stop loss 83.05. 83.05. This Tesla doesn't want to break. HIMS is still staying strong, by the way. Should
Just
keep
going to
an
be
eye on
patient and watch
HIMS.
now.
Guys, again, if you have not taken any partial yet on the TQQQ, here we are, 82, 81, 80, very nice. Finally, TQQQ.
Yeah, it did. It took a long time to roll.
Okay.
Still not seeing anything great right now.
No, not really. Everything is all over the place, like no very clear setups here. Okay, here comes SoundHound for the second partial soon on 13.40. I would like to see a second partial. And guys, TQQQ, you know what? I'm going to be out over 83. I'm not going to wait. And finally, SoundHound coming to the second partial. That's why I like these lower price stocks. They do not care about the market too much, indeed. And I can't believe to my eyes, guys, but Tesla is back to green. Now it needs to drop under this 296 for good. Okay, somehow touch the second partialing point, traders.
How about coin starting to go now? NASDAQ down 5 points. Dow's down 151 right now. So we definitely have a little bit of a downward move here on both of the markets. NASDAQ treading water, let's call it.
Yeah. Even if it's moving lower now, you know, Scott, it's very slow and every red candle, it's immediately bought back. So still very undecided, despite of the fact that we broke the lows. No momentum at all, indeed. It's annoying. Okay, guys, TQQQ will be out over 83, and I'm just taking a little bit more off on the SoundHound. I don't like this rejection on the 1340. I missed the partial on the 1340, unfortunately, so I took a little bit more off on the SoundHound. Tesla is still in, and TQQQ second partial going to be around 82, 50, 60. Let's see whether this market is going to continue lower at all. Wow, Amazon, what a drop. And I missed it. Very weak today. NVIDIA is still trying, but No support from the market. Actually, there is no support from the market to neither side, neither to the shorts nor to the longs. I don't like this Tesla, what it is doing again.
Yep, yep, yep.
Okay.
That's crazy.
And VDA for the to the short side, Lee. Okay, things are starting to be interesting here.
I'm just simply watching here. I am, just to sum things up, I am long AMPX, which could definitely become a losing trade here, and long IROH. So I've got losing trade on FSLR this morning, and I've got 2 trades right now that I'm underwater. So I'm not starting the day good at all.
Need some BBAI is a little bit the same as SoundHound, in my opinion. I'm just checking how does it look like now. You think it's oh no, like ADR, it's really huge, big green day already. Maybe over the high for a quick scalp, we can do something there, but that's it, I think. Okay, traders, in the meantime, don't forget the competition, please. Again, for the ones especially who just joined the stream, it's going to be a TEFS trading competition starting next week. Traders, you can win a funded account with a 66K buying power, personal coaching, VIP room subscription. So please do not miss out. You have 5 days to enroll, but the seats are limited, so hurry up. Okay, just going to get the link again. And good luck, everyone. And of course, I'm going to be here for you, with you, to make sure you do succeed through the competition. It's going to be very exciting. Okay,
Traders, I
guys,
am,
in the meantime, I'm fed up with the Tesla.
yep, I am out the IROH trade with a loss. IROH trade. That's 2 losing trades in a row now for me this morning to start this Tuesday after coming across a great day yesterday. Just don't have the
Mm,
market with us today. Market just treading water. Dow's down 124 and NASDAQ's up 3 points, so kind of flat.
yeah, it is.
I'm pretty sure I can take this IROH off of here now. Dying volume, dying stock.
Mm.
That's too bad. Sorry about that, guys and ladies.
Yeah, I think I'm just going to get rid of this Tesla too if it's just breaking 298 again. I'm not going to lose my hard-earned profit today. And
Thank
if
you.
you have not taken SoundHound second partial, guys, it's just getting to 1340 now again. TQQQ still here, but as I mentioned you, as soon as it's going over 83, I'm going to be out. And SPY TQQ are still very slow
Yeah,
today.
yeah.
Hood, I cannot see any bottom reversal yet, need some, but I'm going to watch it here with you. And I'm not going to keep on Tesla if it's breaking to 98 again. I'm rather getting with a lower loss.
Yep. And for all the traders out there that are even on the YouTube room, we've talked about this many times. A lot of people will say, what is the key to trading? Is it picking the right entry? Is it taking partials along the way? And all those things go hand in hand with becoming a great trader. But the number one key to trading, the number one key is survival. It's to be here the next day, because if you're not here the next day, if you blow up your account, if you do things foolishly and you try to go, YOLO and and go for it, and be careless. You're not going to be here the next day to be able to trade. So take those losses, put your stop losses in there, call it a red day, pick up your pants, and come in the next day to trade. But at least you're here for the next day. You know, like I say, base hit, base hit, base hit, and then all of a sudden you're going to hit a home run one of these days, and then you'll be back on top. So we keep the losses at a minimum and keep the gains as big as we can get them.
Yeah.
Yep.
Traders, in the meantime, I'm out of the TQQQ trade, and I'm really thinking to get out of the Tesla too, as I mentioned you, because seems like the market is pulling back again. I do not want to give more chance to the Tesla. Roblox, yeah, Raspi, I see it just made a very nice intraday break, but I'm still a bit afraid of Roblox because it's very strong on the daily. Amazon reversal, not bad, Tara. Maybe I would take it around 221, I don't know, 60, 70. Not before. Beautiful trade on AMD and the NVDA if you took it over 137 and 159.20. Market is just pushing back again towards to the VWAP, but very choppy market again, very slow sentiment market. As you can see, I'm out of the TQQQ, and here I'm just going to say goodbye to this Tesla too. I'm not going to give up my profit here just because of the Tesla. Seems like this is still attracting some deep buyers here. And look at that, it's just breaking the 98.
Yeah.
Shoo, not good, not good. SPY, are you going to go to the VWAP or making the reversal now? Come on, Tesla. I'm very patient with the Tesla trade today, guys. It's not it's not like that always, but I feel like I need to be patient. It's a triangle now. And looks like the coin is going to break down again. Wow, it's really under pressure today. Interesting market today again. Very slow. Watch out with the NVDA, Alamu, if you did. It's back to the VWAP now.
Yeah, I mean it's the key to oh shoot, okay. Yeah, the key to it all is just to keep the losses at a minimum, right? I mean, that's how we survive. Um, but to thrive, you got to know when to kind of hold them and know when to step on the gas, right? Because we keep talking about, you know, you've heard me millions of times, base hit, base hit, base hit, base hit, and all of you that are out there that don't know behind the 44 trading, 44 is the number of Hank Aaron, and Hank Aaron was one of my favorite baseball players growing up, a real gentleman and all-time home run, um, yeah, slugger, and he was he did it without the PED, without the PEDs, without the juice and everything like that. So he was pretty legit and a great guy. Um, so that's kind of where we got the 44 from, and that's where the analogies from and being a baseball player. Um, that was something that I, would always say. You know, base hits, base hits, base hits. That's what makes the batting average grow. and then you throw in a home run sometimes, and we've all had them. You know, you've seen DVG, myself, Aggie, everybody hit a blast where you just have that huge day. So you know, it's key. Yeah, that's true, Mark. One game, one day. Yep.
Hmm.
Yep.
This market is really crazy in the meantime, guys. Seems like DVG trades options a lot. Yes, he did. He did start this year, right, Scott? As far as I remember.
Yep. Absolutely, Aggie.
Okay, guys, and I'm out of Tesla in the meantime. One loser, two winners, and I'm going to be out soundhound under the $13 level, and the market again making a really weird move here. Market is really interesting with this. Really, the bulls are trying so hard to keep the lows and not letting the market lower. Indeed. Okay, Spytical Q are trying hard to make a reversal. I'm still holding barely my soundhound, nothing else at the moment. And I must tell you, I do not like too much this market today. Tesla is starting to be crazy, so I'm happy that I was not waiting more to get out just to this 289 or 98, sorry. Okay, traders, I'm out of SoundHound soon too. And in the meantime, again, don't forget the competition link. BAC, checking BAC. BAC. Okay, guys, market is heading lower again. Doesn't mean too much because we do not have a strong sentiment. BAC looks very good. Yeah, I did.
Yep.
Sorry for that.
Aggie, nice trade on SOUN today. SOUN.
Thank you.
Very, very nice. Still waiting for NDRA to come up to $10. ROH, I think, is dead. Yeah.
Spice back to the lows in the meantime. Market is breaking the lows. Interesting. Very hectic level again here. Guys, I'm out of SoundHound. last shares, and the market is dropping a little bit, not too much, but it does. Tesla still staying strong, so might we can get a long on Tesla soon. It does not care about the market at all. AVGO big drop. JP Morgan dropped to, oh, JP Morgan was a very nice call under 285. What a drop on the market. That looks interesting indeed. Okay, and we are dropping more. That's interesting. Did we get any news maybe here? SPY broke 620, which I think it's quite of a stronger level there. DVG is shorting Tesla too. However, this is just pushing higher. Amazing. I think it's just going to get over 300 soon if it's going to continue like that. Okay, traders, in the meantime, new lows on the SPY and the triple Q does not mean too much in my opinion. Again, we need to see much stronger moves here to see an obvious direction first. Wondering whether Tesla really can break over 300 today, because seems like the bulls are extremely stubborn here. Seems like everyone is just buying Tesla actually. But I cannot see any other opportunity here. Maybe SoundHound is going to make a VWAP reversal there. That doesn't look good, or doesn't look bad. BBAI, it made a reversal. Could not make the $9 level. And overall market in the meantime is just very choppy.
Yeah, no trade on the NDRA trade. Still got good volume in that stock, though, for those of you who want to try something there.
Watching Roblox here under this 105 level. We do not have a really big volume here indeed. SPY triple Q reversing. MU is still strong. Just watching MU here too. AMD is still strong too. NVIDIA not anymore.
Okay.
Wow, AMD is just pushing higher. Amazing.
Market now red.
Yeah.
On both NASDAQ and Dow. Again, don't really have a trade here. Waiting for NDRA. I'm still on the AMPX trade. Down about 40 cents. Again, not a, it's going to be a red day so far, but nothing that's going to get me in trouble today. That's for sure.
Yeah, managing risk, it's very important, as you just mentioned with DVG. My SoundHound, it's making a reversal here. But I cannot see either anything better at the moment. AMD and Tesla got a surprising move. I thought that Tesla is really going to get a bit weaker, but it's just amazing how bulls are stubborn on that stock. SPY triple Q are pushing higher a little bit. Okay, Google checking. Google. Looks interesting, Nitsan. You know what? I think this has a chance only if we got some bad news on the market, like tariffs news or something like that, in my own opinion. Without that, I don't think so it's going to move. And the market now, look at that, is just moving higher. Nice on NVIDIA, well done. CC, oh, that was one of the stock on from the list. Oh, it's a very slow mover, but well, looked like a very nice reversal, by the way. And look at Tesla. I can't believe this stock is just broke 300. Who is buying this stock? Come on. I'm out of it, but still, I still can't believe that. I think
Mm-hmm.
DVG is in short, right?
Yeah, he was short the stock.
Yeah, it's crazy. And it's going higher. That stock is ridiculous, actually.
AMPX starting to catch a bid now.
That's a good question. Who's buying Tesla? Yeah, right?
Right.
Nice and nice move on the CC. Well done. Okay, AMD is still pushing higher. Nice reversal, Tara on Amazon. I hope you took it. It was a fantastic call. Well done. And the overall market is just heading back to the high of the day with a very quickly speed light, actually. Amazing.
Now Nasdaq's up 24 points. Still not a big move. The
No,
rebound off the bottom is not as big as what the 24 points indicates, in my opinion. So we'll
yeah,
see what happens here. Not really
yeah, that's
super
true.
excited about it.
That's true, but now the bulls just started to move here. AMD is still pushing higher. King to the moon. No, to the Mars.
Uh,
Crazy move on that stock today, that's for sure. Look at the SPY and the triple Q. What a strong reversal, like amazing. In the meantime, hood is breaking down. Coin just hovering around. Market very strong. Hmm. Yeah, 305 can be. Maybe now it's going to make a small consolidation and then push it.
yeah.
Nice call N on the CC. Just going higher now. Fantastic. And the spine triple Q are going to be back to the high of the day in no time. Amazing. MU very strong gap. We've just seen it raspy that it did break. Now Amazon is getting nicely back to the VWAP. Tesla ready to break out again, I think. If you want to get a small scalp here. Seems like it's unstoppable today. And market bulls are back with full force indeed. Wow, market, that's just amazing. And here is another breakout on the Tesla, as we just called. If you are in traders, then go for $1-2. And also, it doesn't seem like it's going to stop indeed. Strange big buying pressure on the Tesla and on the market too. My sound round is going lower now. Roblox 2 as I see. NVIDIA is not moving nicely. Okay, guys, I think I'm just going to call this day in a small green. Tesla took some of my profit, unfortunately. I should have shorted it or long it, not shorted. And here comes the 30.
Yeah, I mean, I think coin specifically now has got room to the upside, maybe over this 355 to close the gap up to the 357, and then take a look at it there to see if it breaks out. You know, Nasdaq up 41 now.
Okay, SPY back to the high of the day soon. Amazing. What a run, guys. That's crazy. Can't believe what I see now. What, there was some news? Why everything is moving up so crazy? Let's try to... No, this is not really a news. Let me just check it. Cannot see anything special, actually. Nike. Checking Nike. Yes. That's a bit weak today. Okay, guys, SPY Triple Q is back to the high soon. Amazing big run, and seems like it has not done. Tesla crazy strong from weak to strong, 3% higher, and it still has not been done. Amazing. If you took this for a scalp, I would take a partial here and let's see. And overall market is on fire. Market bulls are on fire. Here is the 303 on the Tesla and still does not stop at all. Crazy.
Yeah, I mean, it's at this point in time, it's I don't, unless the market changes some direction or gives us further direction, we're just kind of, I mean, the Nasdaq could possibly break out here, so can watch this big time.
I don't like NVDA. It's on. It's just not going with the market. It seems like it does not care about the market too much. I will just stay away from the NVDA now. I think the SPY is going to go for a new daily high soon, traders. So watch out. The Tesla it's a bit extended, so that's why I'm telling you that I would take a partial if you took it for a scalp. SBET, it was Amir's call yesterday, as far as I remember. That looks nice. It's not bad. Maybe, it's too late again because 1520 was a nice entry here. Now let's see whether it's going to make a consolidation here. I just missed it with 2 seconds, but looked nice, Nitsan. Yes, NVIDIA is very choppy. I don't like either. Okay, traders, Tesla is unstoppable. Market is unstoppable. AMD very nice too. Roblox pushing lower in the meantime. JP Morgan too. Who this week today? But the spine triple Q get back almost to the highs. What a crazy day. Wow, especially on the
Yeah,
Tesla.
super crazy, right?
Yeah. And Tesla does not stop. Amazing. SPY triple Q moving back a bit. Okay, JP Morgan dropping still. I cannot see anything else, guys. Here comes the Tesla, maybe cooling off a little bit after this huge run. I'm expecting it to get back to this 301 area. Might then can have a reversal on it. Meta checking. Meta. Ooh, this is all over the place too with guys. I don't know. It's a very small inside day. I don't know what it wants to do here, actually. Let's see. SPY, I think, just put back a little bit and goes back to the high soon. Nice, Nitsa, well done. Yes, Meta and NVIDIA is just not, does not participate on this today's party, actually. I do feel too. Okay, in the meantime, AMD still running, MU running, NVDA, Meta muted, JP Morgan just pushing lower, and the market is
Yeah.
crazy strong again. We will see that, Nitsound, whether it was a good decision not to get out your order there. What a day, especially on Tesla. I just can't believe I was not on the right side with this stock, that's for sure. It's a mistake.
Guess who cleared her whole backyard of milk?
Again, a big red candle. Okay, guys, I'm just giving up to understand this market today. Look at that craziness, what is happening now. I think it should be news. Definitely should be news. It's just amazing. Wow, what a day. What a trade. Crazy. Okay. Yeah, I know. I just don't know why. I do here too. Okay, it finished. I think maybe it was from Scott.
Yep, August 1.
Okay. Maintain traders, I'm not going to touch this market anymore. Look at that. That's crazy what is going on now, especially on the indices and the big stocks. Tesla cannot be sold off either. Amazing. Yeah, it is. Scott, is something is not okay with your microphone. I don't know why actually. Because
Can you hear me any better now? No?
yes, but we can hear DVG too. Or wait, just going to mute him here. Yes, I can hear DVG.
Got both of them, Maggie.
Strange. Okay, guys, so how is your day so far? Crazy, crazy market. I must tell you, it's just wow, indeed. I don't know why is it's like that, Scott? What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, I think on the markets today, we kind of woke up this way. Remember, in pre-market, we talked about a mixed market today. And the challenges of the mixed market is quite simply you just don't have directionally, you just don't know which way to go. Like
Yeah,
DVG was talking about Hood today. Hood a clean short through yesterday's close. But remember, this stock was spiked to 98 on the first candle, and now it's trading 91.63.
hmm.
You know, a lot of the stocks today, with the exception of just a couple here, SOUN being one of them, you know, mostly that pop and drop type of look today, and it's hard to trade that, right? It's hard to be a trader when you don't have solid direction, you know. And that direction, what I'm talking about is, hey, we open up, you know, higher, we pull back and we continue higher, or we open up lower, we pop and then we continue lower. You're not
Yeah,
having that today. You're not having it today.
yeah, yeah, it's for sure. Humble Ninja just wrote that there was tariff deadline news driving Okay, thank you. Yeah, I knew it's some news, but I was not sure what kind of news or what news are that. Anyway, that was crazy actually, and these tariffs news are really good for manipulation on the markets, right? Because they
Right
can
on.
just hit the market at any time, actually. It's crazy. Yay. So 67% of yours are in green. That's good. 33% decided no trades, which I can completely understand actually in this crazy market. So it's another tariffs deadline. So it's not 1st of August with ICE or the Humble Ninja, sorry. As I'm just looking for the news too. It's amazing. Okay, 50% green, 60% in green. Thank you for the vote. Just posted how was your day today so far at least with this choppy crazy market. Yeah, this undecided market, it's not our best friend for sure for day trading, but it's just crazy. Ooh, what happened on Amazon? Have you seen the Amazon? Like a
Yeah,
$2
Amazon.
drop?
I think Amazon was saying that DVG was saying that Amazon just said that they're down about 13% year over year on their Prime Day.
Oof, that's not a good news.
But how do they know? It just started today, right?
I don't know. But Humble Ninja, it was moved already yesterday. I mean, the 1st of August. So it's not new news, like it's not fresh news.
Correct.
Alemu, well, you can participate in the competition, but unfortunately, US citizens cannot, unfortunately, they cannot actually because for US citizens, we cannot provide funded accounts. No, it's not the best. Wow, that's a big drop. Guys, I'm sure it's news related. Look at that. Scott, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Wow, it's a really huge drop now.
Could pick up some steam to the downside here. I mean, Amazon's got the strength to do it.
Mm. SPY, of course, makes a reversal on the lows immediately almost. Okay, I feel like I do not want to touch this market at the moment because it's unknown what is causing this nasty move on it. It's quite scary to see.
I mean, still not bad though, right? The market's only down 17 points on the Nasdaq. I mean,
Yeah, I agree. It's not that bad. It's just the whole price action. It's quite nasty. It's crazy how it's moving now. And someone is still buying Tesla. Tesla is not going down with the market. That's amazing, actually. Oh my goodness. Maybe Elon saving the company. Okay, SPY is getting back to the lows again. I'm wondering whether we are going to break the lows here or not. Starting to be very interesting there. Okay. Or we will see a steep reversal as before. I can't imagine anything about this market nowadays, actually. Maybe another big drop is coming. I don't know. But all of the big stocks reacted. Like Amazon is still going down. Meta dropped too. So right of everything was participating in that drop. Just the Tesla not.
Yep.
Maybe now. Ooh, and here comes the second round. Wow.
Wow, Amazon.
Yeah.
Stock was opening at what, 224, now it's 218.
Mm. Now another green candle on the market after the drop. I know, John, I know. Definitely Tesla has a very wide
Nice trade, Vedic. Yep.
very wide palette of what they are doing and doing great actually. So I understand this. That's why so many traders are going for a dip buy, right? Okay, Scott, that was another interesting trading day here, I would say.
Yeah.
I'm
I would
glad to
say
have
it's
in
an
small
interesting
green.
trading day. It's an interesting day that I came off of a really big winning day yesterday, and today it's going to be a losing day so far. I'll probably come back this afternoon and take a look at it, at
Mm.
least see where this market goes. Tomorrow, I think we have, don't we have government numbers tomorrow?
FOMC meeting minutes. FOMC meeting minutes. We
Meeting
will get
minutes
it.
tomorrow.
Yep. We will get
So
it.
that'll be the talk of the town. Tomorrow, be prepared for a pretty quick morning and then a sit and wait until 2, right?
Yeah, sort of. Let's see. Nice videos on the Amazon. Nice short. Well done.
Super short. Yep.
Yep. Surprisingly, AMD is still holding nice and
Yep.
strong. I see even MU traders. So if you are going to stay trading and focusing on longs, I would go with the two stocks, definitely AMD and MU. AVGO, it's making a big reversal too. Okay. All right, 67% of yours in green. Fantastic job, guys. Well done. For the ones who got into the red side today, guys, you know, it's just not easy today,
Yep.
for sure.
All of those in the green today, you got me beat, that's for sure.
Mm,
Yep. But we'll roll with that.
okay. And I'm just going to make the last call again for the competition traders. You still have 5 days to go with. And again, the first one is going to get a student account, which is equals a 66,000 buying power funded account with personal coaching, private Trading Room, I mean the VIP room indeed, subscription. So very exciting indeed. Good luck, everyone. I'm going to compete too with you, but I'm going to focus most on you, like to help you every day trading through this competition. And it's going to start next Monday. Waiting to close it all. Okay, with dice. All right, Scott, I think we can just call it as a day today. Market again pulling back, unknown what's going to be the next step from this market. Tesla still very strong. MU, as I mentioned, you AMD. Banks are still suffering here. Amazon, huge drop, that's for sure.
Yeah, we're trying to
And
stop back later this afternoon around the 3 o'clock time frame.
okay. Okay, that sounds great. Okay, all right. Thank you very much, Scott. Thank you, traders. Really enjoy trading with you again. Thank you for Scott to be here with us today as well. And on Thursday, it's going to be rinse and repeat again. So have a beautiful rest of your day, everyone. And I'm going to see everyone 9 a.m. sharp as always. Thanks a lot, Scott. Have a nice afternoon and see
Yep.
you
Thank you all so much.
tomorrow.
Yep. Thanks, DVG. Thank you, Aggie. Everybody have a great rest of your day today. Like I said, I'll stop back today right around probably 3 o'clock, see where we're at with this market. Wish you the best. Sorry I couldn't help you even more, but that's the way it goes sometimes. So I'll check back with you all then. Everybody have a great rest of your day. God bless you all. Godspeed. Thank you, Mark, Vedic, Jeff, everybody here in the room for posting your trades, making this a great room to come into every day. Andy, Steve, Jeff, and the rest of the team here. Appreciate what you do every day. Appreciate Clifton managing the room as well. Have a great one, Miguel. Thank you so much. We'll see you later this afternoon. Okay. Take care, everybody. God bless you all. Godspeed. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. Bye, traders. Stay safe. See you tomorrow.